If you have not bought your ticket for Danville, Virginia and our Danville Summit, make sure you do so before we run out of space. We're expecting anywhere between 140 to 200 different lighting designers to come to this event. We're so excited. We just finalized our space, Atkinson Farms, for the Lighting Design Challenge and opening night. It's set on 800 acres of beautiful manicured farmland with a wonderful barn, 6 ponds, swans in the ponds, beautiful fire pits, piers, and the barn is just an amazing venue. So we're gonna have our band there on opening night, grilling out a wonderful meal. I've already tried it, it's great. So get your tickets now. This is going to be the lighting event of the year. We really want to thank you for all that you do for us, Sterling Lighting. And this is how we repay you, by really indulging you and allowing you to work with the best lighting designers in the world on our design challenge at Atkinson Farms. So come sign up, get ready, because this is going to be just a wonderful event.